Hello everyone! Welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we'll learn how to list outcomes and use the product rule and probability. When we talk about outcomes, we mean all the possible results of an experiment. For example, when tossing a single coin, there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. When rolling a single die, there are 6 possible outcomes, numbers 1 to 6. But what if we have more than one event? We can use listing to show all possible combinations, or we can use the product rule to count them quickly. Let's start with listing outcomes. Suppose we toss 2 coins. The possible outcomes are HH, HT, TH, and TT. That's a total of 4 possible outcomes. We listed them by writing every combination of heads and tails. Now, instead of listing every single one, we can use the product rule. The product rule says the total number of outcomes, number of outcomes for event 1, X number of outcomes for event 2. So for 2 coins, each has 2 outcomes, giving us 2x2 over biotrigger 4 total possible outcomes. If we toss 3 coins, it would be 2x2x2 enters 8 outcomes. Let's try another example. If we roll a die, 6 outcomes, and flip a coin, 2 outcomes, then total outcomes are 6 x2 spiral 12 possible combinations. If we listed them, they would be 1H, 1T, 2H, 2T, 3H, 3T, 4H, 4T, 5H, 5T, 6H, and 6T. So to summarize, listing outcomes helps us visualize all possible results. The product rule helps us count them quickly without writing them all out. The formula is total outcomes, doctors, outcomes of first event, X, outcomes of second event, X, and so on. And that's how you find the total number of outcomes using listing and the product rule. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.